subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Motorola is reportedly working on its upcoming smartphone called Motorola One Vision Plus, which is going to be the successor of last year launched Motorola One Vision smartphone. Recently, the upcoming Motorola One Vision Plus was spotted on Google Play Console website that shows the front look of the smartphone, including some key specifications. According to the listing, the Motorola One Vision Plus will support a 6.3-inch display with a water drop notch at the top center for selfie camera. The device is listed to pack with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage. On the software front, the handset is set to run on Android 9 Pie, but it could launch with Android 10 out of the box. The listing also suggests the phone to support NFC and a fingerprint sensor. Apart from this, there is no other details of Motorola One Vision Plus has leaked so far. So, as of now, that's all we know about the Motorola One Vision Plus smartphone, and we'll come to know more detail about the phone in the coming days. Till then, stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.